guys, welcome back to Sanity Tech Reviews with yours truly, Sandra. Another week, another review. Before we get started and jumping right into this review, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and like down below and set up alerts so that whenever I drop a video, poof, you'll know. Like, you'll be one of the first ones to know. So let's just jump right into this review. This review is a little odd this time because I really had no intention of having this particular drone. What happened was that I ordered the, hold on, let me do my big reveal. Dun, da, 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 the 4D RC drone. It's like a little baby drone. Fly around the house. You can fly it outside as well. I ordered the one with the camera. I just wanted the little 720p, the little cheap. Well, I don't know if it was cheap looking or not, but I just wanted that camera. I ordered off of Amazon. I got the drone twice, and they sent me the wrong drone twice. So I'm really disappointed. So I got to hurry up and send this back. But I thought, you know what? They sent it to me twice. I'm supposed to have a review. So why not just review the one that doesn't have a camera? I'm sorry. I really wanted one with the camera, but we're stuck with this one for right now until they could give me another one. I mean, I even went, I called somebody and they said, just send it back because they're going to keep sending you the same wrong one. I don't know what's up with 4DRC, but this is the drone. You know what? Actually, I did do a little bit of a reveal. So let's just jump to the unboxing. Check it out. Hey, here's the unboxing of the Vinci 4D RC mini drone. It says for beginners. I just picked it up because it was on sale, and I told you I just wanted to, whatever. Let's just open it up. So what do we get? So we get it. It comes with a nice carrying case. Awesome. Okay, let's put that to the side. We don't need that. And let's put this to the side. I don't need that. Okay, so it comes in a nice little case, you know. What can you expect? Sorry for the rambling noise if you can hear that outside. Oh, here we go. Here's the quadcopter. Well, first off, what I can tell you already is that I didn't order this color. Okay, I got the orange one. So I'm a little, I don't understand. I'm a little confused. I got the orange one. So, and then it looks like here goes batteries. You get 1, 2, 3, which I felt like I was supposed to get 2 batteries, but whatever. Maybe they gave me an extra. Maybe it was a mistake. And then I'm looking at the drone itself, and you know what, guys? I'm about to be so mad. Here's the doggone controller. But I don't think this is the one that I ordered. Reason being, because I ordered the one with the camera. And as you can see, it's not have a freaking camera. I'm so mad. Let me check out the instructions. Like maybe it's me. Or maybe it's the camera in here and you just put it on there later. Nope, it just gave you a bunch of parts. Bunch of some propellers, a charging cable. Oh man, I'm gonna have to return it. Okay, hold on. Maybe there's a light. Okay, I'm reading name of each part of aircraft. LED lights. I see that. I don't see anything pointing to a camera. Whew. I'm so mad. Oh. Well, what an unboxing this was. I bought this off of Amazon, and I really believe that they gave me the wrong freaking drone. Like, there's no camera on here, right? Do you see a camera? That's not a camera. That's just a piece of plastic. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to have to put a pause on this, and we're going to have to do... I mean, I guess while we're here, if you want the ones without the plastic... This is the battery. Oh, you take the battery out. I don't even feel like doing it anymore because this is not what I ordered. But you get 3 batteries, I guess, with the non-camera drone piece. Anyway, here's the Vinci wrong quadcopter unboxing. All right, so that was my reveal. I was a little disappointed when I got it. Like, I was like really looking for a camera. I said, well, maybe the camera is behind that little white light, or It's not the right drone. The drone, I can't even tell you how much it costs. The one that I looked again today. It cost $54 with a 20% off coupon. So that's like $11 off. So what is that? $43. So $43 for the same exact drone, but with the camera. And I didn't even order this color. Like they sent me a blue one. The one that I got in the description is orange with the camera, and this does not have the camera, so I was a little disappointed, but I thought, hey, they sent it to me, so why not fly it around my house a couple times. Sorry. But I did, like, there's really not a lot for me to say about this, only because it's like a little toy drone. Like it has, you can do flips with it, you can do you can like do like this different kind of modes where you can speed it up and all that kind of stuff. And I flew it around the house, so guys, take a look. I mean, just take a look and see how you like it. So let me get that. There we go. All right, there we go. Oh, it's going a little bit faster too. Hold on. So let's see if it does the trick now. There we go. Yeah, the battery was low. Woo! Get away. Ooh, it feels good though. Okay, so here we go. Trick. Let's move it up again. Let's see if we can do a trick. I mean, it's really kind of cool, don't you think? Like you answer me, but I think it's cool. Like if you had kids, you just want to like play around the house a little bit. Maybe had a bigger place in mind. You can like race down the hall. Another crash landing. Well, at least the battery didn't fly out. Let's see. Let's start it from here. Whoa, Nelly. And does it backwards. Let's do one backwards. Woo! I could run into, like, let me try to run into this right here. Just a little, not like super fast. See, it kind of forgives itself. I can back up. Then spin. Lower it. Raise it. I wish I could do like, I wish this was the one that I ordered, like no joke. I think this would be cool if I had the camera on it, but it didn't quite work out that way. Alright, so you see, that's the drone. That's how it flies around the house. I think this will be a great addition to some family fun time in the house. You can race down the hallway with each other. I wish my place is kind of tiny, so I couldn't really maneuver a lot. But I do feel like the controls were very easy. Like once you got the hang of it, they were pretty easy to control the aircraft. But I will say that there was some drifting going on. So it's kind of like it doesn't hover very steady. It'll either drift to the left or drift to the right. So you got to kind of keep your eye on it. But if you just like want these around for the kids, like again, this thing, I think the wrong one that they sent me cost like $30. And I think, like I said, the one with the camera cost $43. That's the one I want. I'm thinking about like sending it back and get another replacement, but they might just send me another one. So I'm thinking about placing a whole new order so I can get the one with the camera, so we can do like tricks in the air and you can see how the camera looks and stuff like that. That's what I wanted. So, I mean, that's my review. It's pretty short and sweet. I didn't get what I wanted, but I would say like the pros for this one is like, it's easy to fly. It's very tiny, very, very tiny. It's great for kids. I think it'll be great for family fun. Great for keeping the kids occupied in the house maybe. The cons for me, the cons is that it doesn't hover very well. But again, what can you expect for $30? It doesn't hover very well. Um, it's kind of noisy. So if you have like a small place like mine and somebody's in the other room, it can probably be annoying. So it's kind of annoying. I would say that's like one of the cons, but or one of the two cons that I can think of. It I mean, it's a toy. It's a toy. And another pro. Oops, sorry. It does come with a cute little case. I mean, it's not one of those little bag cases. It's got a little, like some plastic in there. But it makes you feel like if you dropped it, I don't think you would break it. No, and I don't think you wouldn't break it if you dropped it in the case. Yeah. So I mean, that's it. And I mean, again, like another pro, it's just easy to fly. Like I bumped into the walls. I did everything, and it didn't crash. It just kind of, it kind of like said, "Hey, Sandra," you know. So it's pretty good. So it's a good toy, good for the kids. Hey, if you want to get these for Christmas, I know it's only July, but Christmas is coming up. You know, get some for the kids. I think it'll be fun. And that's it. That's my review for the wrong product that I got, the 4D RC drone for kids and adults. It's pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. I would suggest you get it. If you can, get the one with the camera. Let me know how you like the one. If I can't get it, I'm trying. I ordered it. I paid for it. I paid for one with the camera, but didn't get it. Anyways, so that's it for my review. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel if you haven't done so already. And I will be back soon. I ordered some new earbuds. And it's a surprise. Maybe it's not a surprise. I don't know, but if you got this far to the video, I'm going to be reviewing the Soundcore Life P3s. I just got those, but I got to like kind of play with those first before I do a review. I want to play with it for, you know, have them on for a few days before I give it a whirl. So anyways, thanks for checking me out. See you next time. Peace.